Understanding the cash reserve ratio (CRR). An overview of its role in monetary policy, exploring its significance for economic stability. This presentation is for investors and financial professionals seeking a deeper understanding of this key banking tool. What is the cash reserve ratio (CRR)? Definition: percentage of a bank's net demand and time liabilities (NDTL) required to be maintained with the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). Mandated for all scheduled and non-scheduled banks in India. Set by the RBI periodically as part of its monetary policy. Serves as a portion of the bank's deposits held safely with the RBI. How the CRR mechanism works. Deposits. Banks hold a specified percentage of their deposits as cash with the RBI. No interest. This cash does not earn any interest for the banks. Example: if CRR is 4% and a bank has NDTL of 100 crore rupees, it must maintain 4 crore rupees with the RBI. Impact: CRR adjustments influence the amount of money banks can lend, impacting liquidity in the market. Historical context of CRR in India. CRR introduced as a tool to manage inflation and control money supply. Fluctuations in CRR rates over the decades based on economic conditions. High CRR during periods of high inflation to curb excess liquidity. Gradual reduction in CRR over time to improve bank profitability and lending capacity. Example: CRR was 15% in the 1990s during high inflation, reduced to 4.5% in 2023. Importance and objectives of CRR. Solvency and liquidity. Ensure solvency and liquidity of banks by securing a portion of deposits with the RBI. Monetary policy tool. Acts as a monetary policy tool to control inflation and manage money supply. Lending capacity. Influences the lending capacity of banks, thereby affecting credit creation in the economy. Financial stability. Stabilizes the financial system by reducing the risk of bank runs and liquidity crises. Impact of CRR on banks and the economy. Higher CRR reduces the funds available for lending, impacting bank profitability. Lower CRR increases the lending capacity of banks, boosting economic activity. CRR adjustments affect interest rates, influencing borrowing costs for businesses and consumers. Can be used to manage inflationary pressures by reducing excess liquidity in the market. Example: a 1% increase in CRR can drain 1 lakh rupees crore from the banking system. Current CRR scenario in India 2024. Current CRR rate 4% as of insert most recent update. Recent trends in CRR adjustments by the RBI. Analysis of the current 4% CRR rate in relation to inflation and economic growth. Comparison of India's 4% CRR with other major economies. Impact of the current 4% CRR on bank lending rates and liquidity conditions. Conclusion: CRR is a stabilizing force. CRR is a vital tool for maintaining financial stability and controlling inflation. Effective management of CRR is crucial for sustainable economic growth. Understanding CRR is essential for investors, bankers, and policymakers. Continuous monitoring and adjustments of CRR are necessary to adapt to changing economic conditions.